चंद्रशेखर आजाद,
भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
What do you call a man who would never to be captured alive and turned a single pistol into a symbol of India's freedom? Chandrasekhar Azad was born in 1906 in Bhavra, Madhya Pradesh. From a young age, he was drawn to stories of bravery and sacrifice. When arrested as a teenager during the non-cooperation movement, he declared his name as Azad, meaning free, his father's name as Swatantrata, and his residence as jail, a fearless answer that defined his life. Azad quickly rose to prominence in the revolutionary movement, joining the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association (HSRA). He became a close associate of Bhagat Singh and other young revolutionaries, planning daring missions against British rule. His training in marksmanship and guerrilla tactics made him a legend among his comrades. He was deeply involved in actions like the Kakori train robbery of 1925, organized to fund the revolution, and in avenging the death of Lala Lajpat Rai by targeting British officer Saunders. Each act struck fear in the hearts of the colonial rulers and inspired Indian youth to rise for independence. On 27 February 1931, Azad faced his final battle at Alfred Park in Allahabad. Surrounded by British police, he fought bravely with just a pistol, holding them off to allow his comrades to escape. When his ammunition ran out, he chose to end his own life with the last bullet, staying true to his vow never to be captured alive. Chandrasekhar Azad's martyrdom electrified the freedom struggle. His courage became a rallying cry for generations, proving that even one determined soul could challenge an empire. Today, his statue and memory continue to inspire Indians to live with bravery, dignity, and an unbreakable love for freedom. Azad's life reminds us, true freedom demands courage beyond fear and sacrifice beyond self. Want to hear more about India's fearless heroes? Follow for the next legend.
Please like, comment and subscribe. भारत की वीर गाथा, लेजेंड ऑफ इंडियन हिस्ट्री।
Chandrasekhar Azad.